Hello, my name is Jake and welcome to DigitalSolutionSystems.com. This video has been created for demo and training purposes. If you have a sales team and you would like to unify and centralize your team, leads and clients into a single web-based software without paying monthly fees with unlimited users, and providing a free landing page or personalized web page to all your sellers unlimited, definitely this video is for you. Do not pay monthly fees per user for your CRM system anymore. Please stay with me until the end of this video, that with our CRM system, you will save thousands of dollars per year and you will maximize your profits. This video is a step-by-step of our web-based backend CRM system for you to review all the features that our CRM system has to offer to your sales department. Let's dive in. This is our CRM's login page in which you can connect to the system as admin or seller. You need to type in the CAPTCHA code for security reasons and then click on the login button. For the purpose of this video, I will connect as administrator. As soon as you connect, the first thing you will see will be the dashboard in which you can have an overview of your business. As mentioned in our previous video, our system is more than a CRM, it is an ERP system that contains a lot of additional modules and functions related to other departments of your company or business. When you purchase our one-time payment CRM system, as added value you will have access to all these modules as well. This is an amazing bonus that with other providers, you would need to pay for them separately, per user and per month. We can provide training videos related to those modules later on. For now, we will focus on our CRM module only, since this is the purpose of this material. Let's go ahead and imagine that we are creating a new user for a new seller of our organization. For that purpose, you can click now on the Users and Groups menu on the left menu. Now click on the New User menu below Users, and here you will see the form in which you can create the new user in the system. You can fill out the last name and first name fields. After you can type the username or login name within the system for that specific user in the login field. Check if that user will be an administrator or a seller employee. Here you can click on the drop-down to select which user will be the supervisor of the user we are creating. In the password field, the system will generate a random password automatically. If you want to type a different password, you can do it. The following step is very important and mandatory in order for this user to have a personalized landing page or web page with the form and promotional videos pointing to this user's profile. This is for tracking and commission payment purposes. You can click now on the right circle arrow and the system will generate an API code for this user. This API code will generate the user's personalized landing page automatically. That means that every lead that fills out the form will be recorded or assigned under this specific user in autopilot as soon as a lead clicks the submit button on the landing page or request a quote form. You can fill out any of these fields if desired. Those fields are optional. After, you can click on the Create User button. As soon as you click on the Create User button, you will see the user's profile already created with several tabs, all of them related to the user we just created. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the personalized link that was created automatically by the system during the user's account creation. This link is the one that your sellers can promote on social media and advertising to get leads registered directly within each seller user. If you copy and paste the seller's personalized link, it will open a landing page or web page like this, with the logo, business name, videos, and texts of your business. This landing page is created automatically when a new user is created in our CRM system. This is an amazing and profitable feature that saves you a lot of money, because you can provide one landing page to each seller to unlimited sellers within your organization. You don't need to pay for web design services to provide a personalized landing page or quote form to your sellers. No other CRM system provider offers this profitable feature that we offer with our CRM system at DigitalSolutionSystems.com. Let's go back to the user's profile. This profile contains several tabs, all of them related to the same user, including linked files that are documents related to that user you can upload, such as ID, contract, warnings, lead documents, etc. You can click on each tab to fill out any of them as desired. The Permissions tab is very important because under this tab is where we define what this user is allowed to do or not within the system. Now click on the Permissions tab, and you can activate our recommended functions to this user. You can determine how many permissions a user has in the system. These are our recommended functions that must be enabled for a regular commercial representative or seller without any leadership or administrative role. Under the Third Parties module, you can enable only the following permissions. Read third parties linked to user. Create and modify third parties linked to user. Read contacts. and create and modify contacts. There are several modules within our powerful CRM and ERP system related to commercial functions, such as proposals, sales orders, invoices, products and services modules. Depending on your specific sales operation and commercial needs, you can enable or disable those modules to be visible to your sales team. Under the Events and Agenda module, you can enable all permissions. Under the Event Organization module, you can enable all permissions. Under the Poll, Survey or Vote module, you can enable Read Polls only. Under the Leave Request Management module, you can enable the following permissions only. Read leave requests, your leave and those of your subordinates. Create and modify your leave requests, your leave and those of your subordinates. Delete leave requests. Under the Bookmarks and Shortcuts module, you can enable all permissions. Under the Tickets module, you can enable all permissions. Under the Knowledge Management System module, you can enable only read articles. With the Knowledge Base Management System module, you can have your own knowledge base system or intranet to share among your sales team or employees, policies, procedures, communication templates, etc. All your sellers or employees will be able to create tickets or questions under the Tickets menu. SMEs or experts will be able to reply those questions in real time under the Knowledge Base left menu. This module centralizes information in real time online between your CRM system users. Having all your business policies, procedures, and tools unified within the CRM system will avoid losing important information in separated emails or chats, and it would help to improve the knowledge acquisition process of your team members. Under the Webmail module, you can enable all permissions. Under the Prospects Kanban view, you can enable the use of that plugin. Now, we will configure the corporate email of your organization related to this specific user. Click on the Mail Setup tab within the Seller or Employees user and click the Modify button. In here, you will be able to paste or type the email corporate credentials for this user. In this case, our login is the corporate email address. After, you can paste or type the email user's corporate password. Select Yes under the Leave Messages on Server option. Specify how many days emails will remain on server. After entering the above details, click on the Save button. Now click on the Modify button once again. This is a very important option. Now we will click on the small pencil next to the Can View the Messages From, and here you will see the whole list of users of your company. If you want this specific user to be able to see the email interaction of any user in the list of users, you will need to select the user you'll be granting permission to this other user to see. In here, click Add. After these steps, now the seller or employee user can send and receive emails via our CRM system. Now let's imagine that we are the seller user we created before. Let's go ahead and log out from the admin's back office. Now we type the user and password of the new user we've created. Important, a user is not the same as a prospect or client. A user is a seller or representative of your organization. As soon as we connect with the seller's user, we will see that a lot of menus available using the admin user are not present under this seller user. This salesperson will see just the modules we as admins have granted permission to. Since this is a new user, no information is shown on the dashboard yet under the Home menu. Now, let's review the third-party menu. But, what is the meaning of a third party in our CRM system? Third party refers either to a lead, client, or vendor. If you click on the third parties menu, you will see the different options available under this menu. If you click on the new third party, the user will be able to create a lead or client manually. With the landing page or quote form web page related to each seller user, creating a new lead or client profile manually is not necessary, since the landing page creates the third party or lead within the CRM system as soon as the lead clicks the submit button, but sometimes we need to add a contact manually. You can see the list of prospects that you have as seller user and the list of clients you have under your seller's user. Let's imagine we give to a prospect our seller's personalized link. Let's go to the right top corner and click on our user's name. You will see this small window. Click on the card button so you can see your own profile as seller or employee. Scroll down a little bit and copy and paste the personalized link to your landing page or web page. Now, imagine you are the prospect that receives from the seller his personalized link. You as prospect or lead, click on that link or copy and paste the link, and this is an example of our landing page at digitalsolutionsystems.com. You will have your own landing page design and contents. The prospect or lead of your organization will see your web page. We recommend 1 or 2 promotional videos of your business next to the form, just like we do here in our landing page, because your own videos next to the call to action form will improve your conversion rates significantly. The form next to the videos may capture all the data from your prospect, and that information will be directly saved into the seller's profile as a new prospect within our CRM system. If your form requires from your prospects or clients an upload button, that can be added at no cost. If you want different data to be captured by the form, we can adjust that for you. Let's fill out this form as a prospect or lead. This is just for demo purposes. We type in here the full name, business name, website, WhatsApp phone number. It's important to letting know your prospects to include their country code without the plus symbol. This is to start easier a new conversation via WhatsApp. Let's type in the email address as last field. Now let's go ahead and click on the upload or submit button, and after this process, the data coming from the lead will be uploaded into the seller's user, and congratulations, the seller have now the first lead. If we go to the seller's user and click on the third parties menu, click on the list of prospects, you will see listed the new lead that just filled out the form. If your form has documents to be uploaded, you can find the uploaded documents under the link files menu in here. Our CRM system at digitalsolutionsystems.com is just great because every single lead or client will have their own profile with several tabs, including events and agenda for that specific lead or client. In here, under the notes menu, the seller can add private notes if needed. If the seller or employee needs to edit some lead's information, he or she can click on the modify button. A very useful feature is that the seller or employee can click on the lead's or client's WhatsApp number link in here, and a new window will open up to start a conversation via WhatsApp without the need of saving the lead's or client's phone number on the seller's smartphone contact list. This feature speeds up the contact process of your sellers with their prospects or clients, saving them a lot of time when contacting their leads or clients. This link provides a better response time and improves the customer perception of your services and response time. An excellent customer perception and a proactive response time for sure are golden keys to close sales in any line of business. Our CRM system at digitalsolutionsystems.com offers email interaction within the system itself. That means that all the email communications of your sales team, or even of other departments, can be centralized in a single email or separated email per user with its inbox and sent folder. You will have the possibility of archiving emails from both trays. You can display sent and received emails related to a client or contact in a new tab called Mail within the prospect's or client's profile. Our CRM system offers integration with sending documents such as invoices, orders, etc. Those documents are visible in the customer files. Each user will be able to send and receive emails by logging into our CRM system with his or her personal credentials. Our CRM system can be configured for the business owner or super administrator to be able to see or monitor all email interactions within the organization and disable the possibility of each user to see the emails of other users. This is a great feature that gives you as business owner a whole panorama of your sales or even your global business operations. If after reviewing all the details provided in this video, you consider that all the features that our CRM system offers without monthly payments is the solution for your business, you can fill out the form next to this video and our sales executive, who promotes this landing page, will contact you as soon as possible. We hope to be able to work together, maximizing your resources and minimizing expenses in the commercial management of your sales department. Thank you for considering digitalsolutionsystems.com as your business partner.